Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to this new video and daily update on Arbitrum. We'll take a look at Arbitrum again. I also briefly wanted to touch upon excuse me, the fundamentals of Arbitrum. How's it doing? And then we'll talk about the technicals. I mean, the technicals in the last, yesterday were not that bullish. I mean, before that we were bullish, but overall it seems like, if you're zooming out, it seems like we're getting into a bit of a consolidation, and that's not great. I mean, I don't like consolidations. I think most of you don't like that either. And you can also see that the ADX, for example, right now is still around, which is kind of my indicator I use to gauge whether there's a trend or not. You can see that it's around 20. We're still trending technically, but it's nearing levels where we would just be consolidating. So yeah, that's we would have to get some sort of a breakout fairly soon if we will actually want to continue this bullish momentum, if you would still consider this bullish momentum. But we'll talk about that in this video. Before we get into Arbitrum, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find out instructions on how to join, but also trade results. So check that out if you're interested in trading and making some money with us. So let's dive into the fundamentals first. As I said, what you can see right now on Arbitrum is that last time we checked, they were still doing great. I mean, right now they're still doing good. Daily active addresses are still high. They actually went up a bit. Daily transactions are still high. It's trending down, but it's still very much very high. All right. And the total value locked yesterday, we're not at a 2.3 billion level anymore, but it's still very high and it's stable. So that's bullish as well. However, what you can see right now is that Arbitrum is moving together with the market a lot. We practically fell down at the same time as Bitcoin yesterday afternoon. And since then, Arbitrum has stabilized on top of this level here around 1.2, but there's not a lot happening either. There's also not a lot happening with Bitcoin. So that's kind of the problem. What I would think is that Arbitrum will drop down a bit first now. You can see that on the very short term, we're getting some lower highs. So I think we'll drop down to this also stronger support level around 1.18 and 1.17. Now from there, we would really, I'm still debating this in my head. I'm not too sure about it because I think we'll either find support at 1.17 or at 1.1 again. And I'm not sure at this point of time which one it is going to be. My feelings tell me it's going to be 1.1, but if we take a look technically at the correlation between Bitcoin and Arbitrum, for example, you would say that if Bitcoin drops down a bit more, then Arbitrum is going to drop down a bit more as well, and they might find support at 1.18 and 1.17. Well, Bitcoin finds support at 27,700. But all right, let's not overcomplicate this. It seems that Bitcoin will provide more bearish momentum and that Arbitrum will go together with that. So for now, I think we'll find some support at 1.18, but then afterwards drop down to that 1.12, 1.1 level, and from there start to rally up again. And at some point, we are going to get a proper rally. But I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my most likely scenario. If we really find support at 1.18, 1.17, while Bitcoin drops down to 27,500, all right, so if we're still on top of that, then that's going to be our support, and we got quite a high chance of rallying from there. But as I said, I just don't think that's the most likely scenario. I'll try to keep you updated on that though. But for now, this is my take on Arbitrum. So thank you for watching today. If you have any questions, always let me know. But for now, take care and bye.